AI. This is the dashboard of the inventory management system, which is built for NGOs and government organizations. Here they'll be able to track their resources and requisitions. On the resources tab, they'll be able to see and manage all the resources. They'll be able to add new resources, and they'll also be able to perform all the CRUD operations. On the requisitions page, they can create a new requisition or an order with fellow NGOs, and they'll also be able to select the product and the number of items they require. The resource assistant is an AI MCP server which is connected to our Neon database. We can either type using text, or we can use our voice to have a conversation with this AI chatbot. Here we'll be able to fetch all the products and all the details in the database. So it is able to fetch the products, and it's also able to give us smart analysis insights. Now all the data which is there in the database can be trained instantly. So we can use any model like random forest, or we have a couple of models available. We can connect it to the database, find all the orders, and then we'll be able to batch train it on our system. So the best model from all these training will be stored in our system and will be used again to perform and optimize the database in the resource optimization section. So as you can see, the model is now stored, and we'll also be able to perform advanced analytics by comparing different models. We can ensemble models on top of each other. We can perform transfer learning, and then we can also use deep learning models like MLP, LSTM, and GRU, etc. The best model out of all of this will be used in the inventory optimization and the resource optimization page. So this is a general EDA and analytics section where you can see all the details in analytics. Here we'll calculate the optimization recommendations based on the complete data set. Here the total resources are checked, and they are divided into critical, moderate, and adequate supply. On a single click, we can create an instant agent which creates a voice agent using 11 labs. On start session, we can query the entire database using our own voice.